Our old building window mounting angle has been specially developed for mounting windows in old buildings, for visible reveals, in bathrooms, or for interior and exterior window sills. To install, determine the fixing position and insert the mounting plate as far as it will go in the direction of the insulation. Drill through the 45-degree guide into the masonry. If necessary, remove the stops and fix the mounting plate with two 7.5 mm window mounting screws. Adjust the angle and screw it to the mounting plate. Then place the window frame in the opening, align and fix in place. Drill through the hole in the window frame into the angle and screw in the 7.5 mm window mounting screw. One angle, one screw, one Torx, one simple solution.